Wall-mounted wood furniture pieces have become increasingly popular in modern home decor, offering a blend of functionality, aesthetic appeal, and space-saving solutions. The advantages of incorporating these pieces into living spaces are multifaceted, impacting both the homeowner's experience and the potential for artisans to profit from creating them. From maximizing space to enhancing design, wall-mounted wood furniture serves as an effective way to elevate any room while also providing opportunities for craftsmen to generate income. One of the most significant benefits of wall-mounted wood furniture is its ability to save space. In today's world, where urban living often means smaller apartments and homes, maximizing every square inch is crucial. Wall-mounted pieces allow homeowners to utilize vertical space effectively, freeing up floor space for other uses. This function is particularly valuable in smaller living areas, where traditional furniture may feel overwhelming or constricting. By taking advantage of the walls, homeowners can create a more open and airy environment, which can significantly enhance the overall feel of a room. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-mounted wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for home decor on a budget. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The versatility of wall-mounted wood furniture is another compelling advantage. These pieces can serve a variety of purposes, from providing storage solutions to acting as decorative elements. For example, wall-mounted shelves can showcase books, plants, or artwork, adding personality to a space while keeping items organized. Additionally, wall-mounted desks or tables can provide functional workspaces without taking up valuable floor space. This dual functionality makes wall-mounted pieces particularly appealing to individuals looking to maximize both style and practicality in their homes. Aesthetically, wall-mounted wood furniture can add warmth and character to a space. Wood inherently brings a natural beauty that can soften the harshness of modern materials like metal and glass. The grain patterns, textures, and colors of wood can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making a house feel like a home. In contrast to mass-produced furniture, which can often lack personality, wall-mounted wood pieces can be crafted to reflect the individual tastes of homeowners. This personalization not only enhances the decor, but also fosters a deeper connection between the inhabitants and their living spaces. Moreover, wall-mounted wood furniture can be a powerful design element that contributes to the overall theme of a room. Whether it's a rustic farmhouse style, a sleek modern aesthetic, or a minimalist approach, wood can easily adapt to various design philosophies. This adaptability allows homeowners to integrate wall-mounted pieces seamlessly into their existing decor, enriching the visual narrative of their spaces. As trends evolve, these pieces can be modified or updated to reflect changing tastes, providing a long-lasting solution for home decor. For artisans and woodworkers, the trend of wall-mounted furniture presents an excellent opportunity for profit. The demand for unique, handcrafted items has grown significantly as consumers increasingly seek distinctive pieces that tell a story. By focusing on wall-mounted designs, craftsmen can cater to this market while also capitalizing on the practicality that these items offer. Since wall-mounted pieces can be smaller and quicker to produce than larger furniture items, artisans can create a range of products in a shorter span, potentially increasing their overall output and revenue. Additionally, the relatively low material cost associated with smaller wall-mounted projects can enhance profit margins. Unlike large furniture pieces that require substantial amounts of wood and materials, wall-mounted items can often be crafted from smaller offcuts or reclaimed wood. This not only reduces material expenses, but also aligns with the growing consumer preference for sustainable and eco-friendly products. By utilizing reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, artisans can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers, further expanding their market reach. Marketing opportunities for wall-mounted furniture can also be leveraged effectively. Artisans can showcase their creations on social media platforms, emphasizing the unique qualities of their designs. High-quality images of wall-mounted pieces in beautifully styled settings can attract attention and generate interest. By engaging with potential customers through social media, artisans can build a community around their work, fostering loyalty and encouraging repeat business. The visual nature of wall-mounted furniture makes it particularly suited for online marketing, allowing artisans to highlight both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Furthermore, the customization potential inherent in wall-mounted wood furniture can drive profitability. Consumers often seek personalized items that reflect their individual preferences and lifestyles. By offering custom designs, artisans can cater to specific requests, such as unique dimensions, finishes, or styles. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but can also allow for premium pricing, increasing profit margins. The ability to create bespoke pieces that meet the specific needs of clients positions artisans favorably in a competitive market. In addition to profitability, crafting wall-mounted wood furniture pieces can foster a sense of community among artisans and customers. Many woodworkers find joy in sharing their work and connecting with others who appreciate the craft. Participating in local craft fairs or markets allows artisans to engage directly with potential customers, receiving immediate feedback and fostering relationships. This sense of community can enhance the overall experience of woodworking, transforming it from a solitary pursuit into a collaborative effort that celebrates creativity and craftsmanship. Creating wall-mounted furniture can also inspire creativity and innovation among artisans. The challenge of designing functional yet aesthetically pleasing pieces can push woodworkers to explore new techniques, materials, and styles. This creative exploration can lead to the development of unique designs that set artisans apart in the marketplace. As they experiment with different approaches, woodworkers can discover their strengths and refine their skills, enhancing their overall craftsmanship. This continual growth not only benefits the artisan, but also contributes to the richness of the woodworking community. The process of making wall-mounted furniture can serve as a source of emotional fulfillment for artisans. Crafting pieces that enhance people's homes and lives can be deeply rewarding. Each project becomes an opportunity to contribute something meaningful to a customer's space, fostering a sense of purpose. This emotional connection between the artisan and their work can lead to greater satisfaction and motivation, encouraging artisans to continue honing their skills and expanding their offerings. The joy of seeing a wall-mounted piece find a home and enhance a space can be profoundly gratifying. Moreover, wall-mounted furniture can be an effective way to showcase craftsmanship and promote traditional woodworking skills. As the demand for handcrafted items continues to rise, artisans have the opportunity to educate consumers about the value of quality craftsmanship. By emphasizing the techniques and materials used in their creations, woodworkers can elevate their work in the eyes of potential buyers. This education not only enhances the perceived value of their products, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the art of woodworking. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wall-mounted wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for home decor on a budget. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.